Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step breakdown of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule, which it is the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First we evaluate the parenthesis, small brackets. According to this expression, we have a 36 divided by 6 and according we'll get 6. According to this step, BODMAS requires solving the innermost bracket first. As you can see, the small bracket first. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 150 minus curly braces 40 plus 6, then curly braces square bracket of divided by 3 power 2 plus root 81. Move to the next step. Evaluate the curly brackets. Now there is addition 40 plus 6 according this result 46. According to this step, work outward to the next set of brackets. And now the current expression becomes 150 minus 46 square bracket of divided by 3 power square plus root 81. Move to the next step. According to next step, evaluate the square brackets. Now there is a subtraction, so 150 minus 46 and we'll get 104. According to this step, complete all the final remaining bracketed group. So now with final result get 104 divided by 3 power square plus root 81. Move to the next step. According to next step, evaluate the orders, powers and roots. Now there is a power and there is a root. So now first 3 square equals to 9 and root 81 is equals to 9. So now according to this step, after the brackets B, evaluate the orders O before any basic operations. And now the current expression 5 divided by 9 plus 9. Move to the next step, perform division. So now divide the values 104 divided by 9 will get the answer in decimal 11.56. Or we can write it down in as a fraction also. So according to this step, division D take the precedence over the addition A, and now the current expression become 104 upon 9 plus 9 upon 1. Now move to the next and final step, which is perform addition. So now add the values 104 upon 9. So now the denominators are same and we'll get the value 185 upon 9, and either we can write it down in the mixed fraction 25 by 9 or we can write it down in the decimal 20.56. So I hope it is clear. According to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, we have a current value in fraction and mixed fraction and decimal. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.